Dear friends, greetings to all of you. I just want to share a few thoughts with you regarding Afsan Don Bosco. Though in the first place, God gives every human person a vocation. No one is born without a vocation. Vocation by God is identical with human life. Every life has to be lived out as a vocation. God calls a person and says, I want you to do this. That's why I call you into life. And this is called vocation. And it is a universal call to holiness and to love. That is the basic vocation. God calls everyone basically to love Him and one's neighbors and everything that God has created, including oneself. Loving God, loving others, loving oneself, and loving creation. This is vocation. Within this general vocation, other particular vocations are situated. God calls many youngsters to follow Don Bosco in the Salesian vocation. Plenty of youngsters have come to our aspirantates and have gone through the Salesian vocation for some years, remaining aspirants or becoming novices or Salesians. But in the process of discerning their vocation, they have found that God is calling them elsewhere. And therefore many have left the Salesian congregation and have become former aspirants, former novices, former Salesians, etc. In my opinion, these young people do not lose their vocation, but they have found their vocation in this process. They have found that God is wanting them to follow their vocation from elsewhere. Many of them have left the Salesian congregation, but they are doing wonderfully well outside. They are living good Christian lives, and many of them would nourish a great love for Don Bosco, for the Salesian congregation, and also for many of their old superiors and companions, and they would like to come together. Therefore, we got the idea of forming an association called Afsan Don Bosco. That is, Association of Former Salesians, Aspirants and Novices. It is a free fraternity that aims to come together wherever possible, particularly in small groups in the cities or in the areas where they live, and enrich their own Christian life, do something for the poor young people for whom they have affection, and build their own community. This is the basic purpose of Afsan Don Bosco. Now, as Afsan, what are the basic elements of this vocation? Any vocation that God gives us has three aspects: consecration, communion, and mission. As consecration, this vocation also to be an ex-Salesian, ex-novice, ex-aspirant as a Catholic in the church, first of all means consecration to God. We have to live good Catholic life as children of God, and that is the most important thing. The second aspect is communion, that is among all the members of the Afsan and with the rest of the members of the Salesian family. The Afsan member establishes good relationships. He does not see others as rivals or rival groups, people with whom we have to compete, etc., but sees them as brothers and sisters. And thirdly, the mission. Every Afsan, either as an individual or as a group, is called to carry out something of the mission of Don Bosco that is possible in his own status in life. If he is a teacher or an employer or a priest in some other diocese, or doing anything at all, or he is a commercial person or working in offices or in government, from wherever he or she is, they try to help and bring young people closer to Christ, young people closer to God, and work for them without any compulsion, because it is a free fraternity in which we don't say that you have to do this, you have to do that, but you do what you can because you feel that you have received a lot from Don Bosco and you would like to give something back to the poor, particularly the poor youth. And this is the aspect of the mission. And therefore, as a consecrated person, as a consecrated lay person, we live close to God. And as a person of communion, he builds relationships wherever he or she is. And thirdly, there is also a sense of mission to do something for the poor. And this, my dear friends, sums up the basic concepts of the vocation of the members of the Association of the former aspirants, Salesians and novices of Don Bosco. God bless you.